Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to disable developer options on your Onn Google TV streaming box. So the first step is to navigate to the settings menu. To do that, highlight the settings icon on the home screen and then select all settings. From here, you then want to scroll through the settings menu until you get to system. Under system, you want to scroll down until you get to developer options, select that. And then if you want to disable developer options, it's fairly simple. So ensure that enable developer options is highlighted. And once it's highlighted, you then want to select it so that you can turn it off. So as you can see, developer options is now disabled, and you can tell because the toggle has switched from blue to gray. So now you can exit this menu and you'll notice that developer options is no longer available in this system's settings list. So it's disappeared, which means that you've turned it off successfully. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.